Okay, today we're going to demonstrate how to eject a bale out of a Massey Ferguson 21 or 2200 series baler. To begin with, we're going to turn the PTO on this machine. Okay, here we have the typical screen you're going to see on your monitor. Okay, to get to the point of ejecting your bale, we're going to push the manual button on the top. Then we're going to have to go down to the next screen, and we're going to find the bale ejection icon at the top, and we're going to press that. Then you're going to have a countdown sequence. Just going to have to be patient here and wait for the bale chamber to release. Okay, the bale chamber release has been completed. At this point, we're not going to touch anything else on the monitor. We're going to disengage our PTO. We will then come here and raise the pickup. And then you're going to engage your pickup raise, and that way it locks in your hydraulics.
We are then going to come to the rear of the machine and show you how to finish ejecting the bale.
So at this point you can see that the bale chamber is extended all the way up, your cylinders all the way up. Now you come at this point and you just move the switch. Now you just sit here and work the switch back and forth to eject your bale out.